What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today I got here is an i7 with the new upgraded screen, wireless charger, upgraded user center. Give you this as well. It's nice. Got the peanut butter interior, and this one has the boost as well. Let me get on for y'all. Put the boost on for you. There you go. Oh, quick as fuck. Shit, light work. All the different food. It's personal, sport, efficient, impressive, digital art. You want sport right now? I'm getting another one, full one for y'all. It boosts. Oh, it's for 10 seconds. And it's brake is instant. You'll feel the brake right away. Even without the boost, it's still fast, still a neck jerker. Made that booty twerk, everything. But let me get to a spot where I can show y'all the outside of the car and get more in that detail, show every little part of the car for y'all. And yeah, I'll be right back. All right, so we're here. Like I was saying, it has boost, everything, volume control. It's the iDrive system, automatic doors, the air is on the infotainment system, peanut butter, I believe, or burgundy, leather seats, ambient lighting all across the dash and on the doors, cup holders, space, 2 USB-C ports, wireless charging pad, in sport version. Yeah, what's it called? What it was called? The emergency handle. It's right here. Regular door, right there. Press button to open the door. Yeah, there we go. Now automatic open. Enough space in the back. Cup holder. Oh, wireless charge pad right here. Cup holders right there. Access to the back right there. Air vents. You got storage right there. Storage right here. Forgot about this. Entertainment pad right here. Door lock. And sport brakes. Oh, thanks again to BMW of Raleigh for lending me a vehicle. You can come purchase it at them right off of Capitol Boulevard. New headlights. Front facing camera, and it has a satellite view too as well. Comes with the Bridgestone tires. Turn signals on the mirrors, side mirrors. It's a pretty big size sedan. Perfect for a road trip. Also, we have the fucking steering right there. Close right here. And right there. The seat adjusters right here. Audio controls right there. Child safety lock, window lock, everything for the vents. Yeah, let's go. Let's hit back the road. So quiet and easy to drive with the heads-up display right there. These cars are way better than fucking Teslas. And you know what? Drives like a normal ass car. If you want to feel like you're driving electric, definitely come get a iDrive system. Way better. Oops. You'd be surprised how well this shit handles too. Handles fucking amazing. Yeah, hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and check out my social medias in the description. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.